Hi everyone, we are making a goose today. A goose is a migratory bird. It's here in the spring and the summer, and then it flies south in our winter. So this is earthenware clay, and it's going to get fired in the kiln. All you need is your clay, a little bit of water. You could use a clay tool, but I just used a pencil today to create some texture and to make the hole at the bottom. So get your materials and let's get started. This is earthenware clay and we are going to prepare it, or I'm going to prepare it to start with my sculpting. So it has air bubbles in it, and I'm going to make a slight fist and gently beat it down. It's beginning to look like a pancake. So see how skinny it is? Okay. Next, I'm going to take some tissue paper and I'm going to wrap the clay around the tissue paper like this. And go right up against the tissue paper and squeeze off the extra clay. Okay, now you can roll either in your hand or on the table. Roll the ball, and you'll see there are some lines over here. All you do is take your thumb and blend the clay together like this. Sometimes you'll see some of the paper showing through. That's not a problem. Just squish it back together. Tap it down and blend the clay over like this. So what shape is a goose's body? Is it round like this, or should it be more of an oval? I'm going to make my oval. So to make an oval, you roll it in your hands like this a little bit, so it's not so round. It's a longer circle, which is an oval, and the tail comes up like this. Into a point. Okay. Next, the extra clay that you tore off from the body, you're going to take this and you're going to form the chest. I'm going to take a little piece like this and roll it into a ball. And we need the water. I'm going to rub a little bit of water onto this ball until the clay feels slippery, and twist it on. Then twist it on like this, and then blend it in to the body. This is like the chest. This looks nothing like a goose yet, I know. So many more parts to go. And then take more clay, and this time I'm going to make a little sausage. See? Roll your hand back and forth like this, and dip your finger. This is going to go on the top like this. See? Push it in a little bit and blend the clay together. So I'm pushing it back So it's not so bent, it's a little more straight. And the front is going to become the face. I'm pinching the beak so it's a little bit more pointy. And I'm going to smoothen the neck a little bit more. It's a little bit thick in places. Make sure that you blend all around so it's nice and smooth. Now, when you're happy with your basic shape of your goose, you'll notice that it might be wobbly. And to make it stay still and not fall over, all you need to do is take it and tap it on the table to make it flat at the bottom. At this time also, in your classroom, you might have special clay tools, or you might just only have a pencil. So if you only have a pencil, this is a good time to poke a hole at the bottom and let the air escape when it's firing in the kiln. You can also, at this time, either make a little dot for the eye, like this, or you can add a little small ball on top. But I like the dots, so there you go. You can also draw in your feathers. Don't forget to write your name.